For over 100 years, Carver Incorporated has supplied presses to laboratories and research facilities around the world. Wabash MPI has been providing precision presses to manufacturing industries for more than 80 years. Our vision as a company is to be a world-class supplier of laboratory and production presses. Our sales and engineering teams are skilled and professional as we assist our customers in developing and implementing their specific application. We have experience in multiple different markets, including composites, laminating, compression molding, and pelletizing. We are a global leader in our field, from standard equipment up to custom engineered presses. Whether it is producing medical parts for laboratory development or creating parts for the aerospace industry, our advancements have propelled our customers forward. We give our customers exactly what they want by manufacturing with professional-grade products. Our service team travels all over the world and has decades of experience. Our manufacturing team is dedicated to providing the highest quality presses and accessories. Wabash MPI Carver is your trusted source for all your press application needs.